And some breaking news coming in. Well, in the Badlapur case, which is now being heard by the High Court, the court posing tough questions. Well, the court says while it may not be an encounter, because the definition of an encounter is different, but some unanswered questions remain. The High Court says, how did the accused manage to unlock the pistol? Where are the other two bullets? Those are important questions being raised by the High Court. Now, this, remember, as a family of the accused who died in custody say that it was the police who killed their child. What did the police say? Well, the police claim that the accused shot himself in custody. The accused essentially, as per the police, snatched the pistol and used the police pistol to shoot himself. This is what the police version is, though of course, as the court points out, there are several unanswered questions. What the police had said that the accused in a sense tried to overpower the police. Now the High Court says, why did the police not do enough to make sure that the accused did not overpower the police? Now remember this, as the family says that, well, it's the police which has killed the accused in custody. Remember, this was an absolutely horrific case of alleged minor rape. The accused in this case accused of raping minors, a case that had really sent shockwaves across Maharashtra. But is this fast-track justice or a travesty of justice? I think that is a larger question here. This, as the High Court has also asked the police as to how did the cops get to know that the accused has been able to, in a sense, unlock himself and overpower the police. How could the accused have been so easily overpowered? These are very pertinent questions that the High Court is raising. Now remember, this after the father of the accused actually moved the High Court. The father of the accused, as I said earlier as well, has said that the accused has been killed by the police and that this is not a case of death in custody or some sort of a suicide as the police is making out to be. That's what the accused father has said, but the police was very clear on its stand that this is nothing but a case of attempted suicide. Now remains to be seen what the High Court finally says on this, but certainly a rap from the court for the police, given the fact that these are various unconnected dots that the police must in a sense look at, given the fact that we don't know enough about where the other two bullets are, because had the accused shot himself, as the police say, where have the other two bullets gone? In fact, also the claim on the accused unlocking the police pistol, I think that is also an important claim that the police had made, though the High Court, of course, says that if the pistol was unlocked, how did the accused so easily manage to unlock the pistol? Though, of course, as painted out by many sections within the Maharashtra, various political parties, this is not an encounter, is what the High Court has also said. The High Court has reiterated that an encounter has different implications, has different connotations. This is perhaps not an encounter, is what the court has also said, given the fact that an encounter is one where the police, in a sense, gun down an accused as part of their quote-unquote fast-track justice bid. Now, this is something that we have seen in many cases in the past as well, particularly in states like Gujarat, West Bengal, also Uttar Pradesh as well. But this is not a case of encounter, is what the High Court has said. But of course, larger questions remain. We have seen in the past many cases of deaths in custody that deal a severe blow to a fair investigation.